Hello friend, welcome to our online Canton Fair. This is LILI. Today I'd like to introduce our best-seller products, suit bag. You could also call it garment bag and bridal bag. Our suit bag is rather popular at many countries, such as USA, Canada, Europe, Japan, Australia, South Africa, Middle East, and so on. There's many functions for the suit bag. You could put your suit, jacket, fitted dress in it to keep them clean and keep your formal suit tidy, no any wrinkle. It's really very convenient products. The suit bag have many kinds of specification and style, such as some customers purchase the suit bag without printing and any logo, like this one. And you could also add the window on front side, so that you could see which clothing it is. And next one, let me show you our complicated garment bag. This one is our complicated style with zipper, metal eyelet, and handle, shirt pocket. Our workers are very familiar with this style and very good at operating sewing machines, so our production capacity is very high and it is 10,000 pieces per day. As a professional factory, we have more than 25 years concentrated on sewing this garment bag. We are committed to design excellent suit bags for our customers. Thank you so much for your time.